Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make the most amazing Southern style black-eyed peas in your slow cooker, and we're going to be using smoked turkey legs. All the ingredients will pop up through the video as well as in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment, and don't forget to check out my previous content if you're new. So the smoked turkey leg that I have here is from Protein Country. Okay, they have amazing smoked products. Smoked turkey legs, they have smoked chicken wings, they have dried meats such as dried salami sticks and so on. If you go to Protein Country and order yours today, if you put my code in, my discount code Tovia, if you put that in when you make the purchase, you get $10 off. So I have these beans that I have here are not pre-soaked. It's not necessary. So I have 1 pound of black-eyed peas that I've already gone through and picked out all the bad beans. I have onion and a bell pepper that I just chopped up. These ingredients are totally up to you. If you don't want to add bell peppers, feel free to leave it out, but it's totally up to you. I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I also have a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic. If you don't want to add onion powder and garlic powder with the onions and real garlic, it's totally up to you. I like to use both because it gives more flavor. Add the water. And after adding the water, I'm going to put in my smoked turkey leg. I'm going to put 1 bay leaf in. And now I'm going to cover my crock pot, and I'm going to let this cook for about, I'm going to do about 9 hours, 9 to 10 hours. Okay, then I'm going to let them cool a bit. These are going to be so delicious, full of flavor, and so creamy. So I let my beans cook for, I checked them at about 7 hours, and they were done surprisingly. So I let them go for a total of about 7.5 hours. There's many factors depending on the brand of beans that you're using and your crock pot, how hot does it get, and so on. So I let them cool intentionally because I want you guys to see that the gravy in the beans does get thick. It's nice and creamy. So I'm going to use my forks, and I'm just going to shred the turkey off the bone. And I just love the turkey from Protein Country. So I got the turkey all shredded out in the beans, and I'm just pulling out the bones. Going to fish out that bay leaf, and remember, taste it for salt. If you need more salt, add salt. I'm not going to tell you how much salt to add because everybody's taste buds is different. So here is the beans. You see, it has a nice thick creamy gravy. This is going to be so good. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share this video, add it to your playlist, and leave a comment. Thanks. I love to have rice with my beans. So delicious. The beans are so flavorful. You can taste all the smoke in there from the turkey leg. The turkey leg itself is just absolutely delicious. I personally did not add any additional salt to this because just to my preference, and also I don't use a lot of salt, but if you feel it needs more salt, like I said, adjust all the spices, add whatever you like to it. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to love one another.